In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an FAQ section to your Wix Studio website using a quick and easy method. Let's dive right in so you can have your FAQ up and running in just a few minutes. First, you'll need to navigate to your Wix website editor. To do this, open your preferred web browser and log into your Wix account. Once you're logged in, locate your website, which should be under My Sites, and click on the Edit Site button to enter the Wix editor. This is your central hub for customizing every aspect of your site. Next, let's move forward by accessing the search bar within the editor. You'll see a variety of options on the left-hand menu. Among these options, you'll find a small search icon or simply a bar labeled Search within the editor's interface. Click on this search function. This will make finding the tools you need a breeze. In the search bar, type in FAQ and press enter. This action will pull up various elements and options related to FAQ sections available within Wix. Look for the one labeled Wix FAQ, which is specifically designed for adding FAQs to your site in the simplest way possible. Once you've located the Wix FAQ option, go ahead and click on it. After selecting Wix FAQ, a button labeled Add to Site should appear. By clicking this, you'll be incorporating a pre-designed FAQ section directly onto your Wix page. This pre-built feature is a convenient start as it allows you to skip the hassle of designing your FAQ entirely from scratch. The next step is to manage your FAQs. You will see a button or link that prompts you to manage FAQs. By clicking on this, you'll enter an interface where you can adjust the content of your FAQ section. This is where you can begin customizing to suit your site's specific needs and your audience's queries. Once in the management area, find the option to add new. This is essential if you're starting fresh or want to continuously update your FAQ section with new content. Click add new and then select FAQ. This will open up fields where you can input individual questions and their corresponding answers. To fill in these fields, start by typing your first question. Consider the common inquiries or information your audience might frequently seek. After entering the question, you will see a space to add the answer. It's a good practice to keep answers clear and concise to ensure your visitors can easily find the information they're looking for. After entering each question and answer pair, remember to click on Save. This ensures that all your hard work is recorded and updated on your site. By doing this, your new customized FAQ section is now live and available for your website visitors to access. That wraps up this simple process of adding and customizing an FAQ section in Wix Studio. By following these steps, you've now empowered your audience with easily accessible information, enhancing their experience on your site. Thanks for watching and enjoy your enhanced website.